that boat just there behind us, that's the America's Cup boat. It's like a plane. Look at me, I am the captain now. Just had lunch at the Auckland fish market. It's good vibes though, summer vibes. Boats. This boat here, my sister's living on it for the next few weeks while she renovates her house. So I thought, Boise's on a boat tour? Never actually been on this thing. Deck, chair 1, chair 2, table, 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 table. Well, this ship can't sink. She's made of iron, so I assure you she can. For the record, I am not a boatie, so it's a complete amateur's guide to a boat. Let's have a look at this. Oh yeah, you got your trim tabs, horn, stereo, pumps, winches, accessories, lights, water maker. This boat can make water. It's a female iPod. We've got a heart interface, plugs, coin. Coast Guard here. Yeah, g'day Coast Guard, Shadowfax over. Now boats have what I love about planes as well, is that they make the use of all the space. Like just over here, got like a hydrant, a drawer, sink, but then look at this, you got gas detector, some blue water stuff, and more plugs. And then if I pivot this way, we've got shelves and a cute little pot, and it's just everything you need. There's a ridiculous number of phones on this boat. Coast Guard here. And switches. We've got shelves here, then we've got 6'6" test. I could never be on a submarine. Oh, there's so much space down here. Gotta be real careful not to hit my head. Now we're in the sort of master bedroom. Give you a quick up. Nice bed. This has got storage for days. Down in the cabin now, but man, if you woke up in the middle of the night, but you wouldn't want to get nightmares and smack your head. It is quite soft, but yeah, I'd have to get used to this. It's like sleeping in a little cave. I feel like I'm in Cinderella's little, that thing where she takes the tablet and she becomes a small person. Look at these miniature drawers. It's all just so efficient. So you go out of this bedroom, got another one just here. Awesome. This is how I do my tripod these days. But now we're in the bathroom. I can actually stand up tall because I've got a latch. I feel kind of like a meerkat. Man, it's hot down below deck. Got a nice bathroom. It would be quite a struggle for me to have a shower though. Attempt 2 to stand up in the shower. Oh yeah, it can work. It can work. Just sort of get a stiff neck on this. Yep, nice and relaxing shower. This is the toilet knee test. Oh, I can sit on the toilet and don't hit my knees. And I can pivot. This is hot work, man. Oh, now this is a feature that I love. This is the trapdoor. Let's go. That's the view. This is from the bedroom. Oh, I'm stuffed. So there we have it. Now we're just going up the front of the boat. Got to watch I don't fall into the ocean. Oh, This is awesome. Here we are. Whew. How's that for a view, guys? Just boat life, eh? A couple of sailors. We interrupt this tour to let you know that the captain's just acknowledged, or just let us know that we can actually go out to the harbour. So this tour just got even better now. It could be a tour of the Hauraki Gulf. Oh, this is exciting. So fun fact for you all, Auckland has a nickname which is the City of Sails, and because there's a whole CBD here of sails, it's actually what we're famous for apparently, is the boats. It's pretty exciting next Sunday for the Auckland full marathon. I'm going to start over here in Devonport, run all along this coastline here until you get to the harbour bridge, run all the way over the harbour bridge, down, around, all through the city, and then right down to the end of Mission Bay, and then back to the city. So this is all coming up in 1 week, 42 Ks. I'm super excited and quite nervous. It really is a beautiful city that we live in. We're just about to head under the harbour bridge and try and get a nice sunset of the bridge and the city. How cool is that America's Cup boat? And with the city behind us, and with the epic sunset happening in the city behind us, that concludes what was a quite unexpected Boise's on a mission trip out on the harbour, seeing the beautiful Auckland city. Hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next one.